She wants to play. This is her... Oh.
The offered been taken.
I can't believe how hard she slammed her.
No.
I can't believe how hard she slammed her down. No. She slammed her down so hard.
She used all the momentum Aurora had.
She let her keep going.
She did.
No. No, that was too much for me.
I like that she's now like, I don't know about those. That was a lot of fun. I don't know what to do now.
She was like, whoa, I don't know if I'm ready for that. Daisy's, no one cares about me. I sit here, lie here miserably, looking for play, but no one plays. I'm really sorry, Aurora. You got grand slam. That was the hardest I've ever seen her slam anything down.
I know, right?
I'm out.